Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, good afternoon. First of all, I will introduce myself. My name is Melinda Carolina. I'm a student of Universitas Aisyah Bandung. What I went to this afternoon is to display tips and trick material about the listening part in TOEFL. My presentation will last about 20 minutes. Let's start our lesson. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hopefully, in the next few minutes, we can focus on learning and understanding the material that has been given for listening skill 1 or 2 or 3. That listening section is divided into 3 parts and part 1, part A, part B, and part C. Part A, short dialogue among to speak, and part B, longer conversation among to speak. Part C, talk or speech monologue. Listening section, part E, short conversation. The first focus on the second line. Second, keep in mind that the correct answer is probably a restatement of a keyword in the second line of the conversation. The third, keep in mind the certain structure and expression are tested regularly in listening part A. Listen to the structure and expression. The fourth, if you don't understand the complete conversation. In the listening section, part A, there are 6 skills. Number 1, restatement. Number 2, negative. Number 3, suggestion. Number 4, passive. Number 5, conclusion about word and word. Number 6, expression of agreement. If you only understand a few words or in the second line, choose the answer that contains a replacement of those words or ideas. If you did not understand anything at all in the second line of the conversation, choose the answer that sound the most different from what thought. Okay, and then skill 1 is reasoning. The best strategy choose answer with reasoning. Number 1, as you listen to the second line of the conversation, you should focus on the key ideas in the line. Number 2, if you see a replacement of the key ideas in a virtual answer, then you have probably found the correct answer. And number 3, do not cause answer with words that sound similar to the word on the recording. Avoid similar sounding words. Listen, spell the words you heard. So, for example, one, a woman. What do you like about New House? I mean, it's very close to a park. Narrator, what does the name mean? The answer is C, because we see that the synonym for very close in nerve, because to answer in this part we have to find the synonym for the word. Next, which is skill 2, negative statement. The most common kind of correct response to a negative statement is a positive statement containing a word with an opposite meaning. So, in this skill, most know the sentence is negative or positive. If the sentence is negative, then the answer is positive and vice versa. Negative sentence. Example, Tom is not sad about the restaurant, and then the door isn't open. Steph did not pass the class. Kemudian correct answer. Tom is happy about the result. The door is closed and Steph fired the class. Negative expression is not sad because happy, not open, closed, did not pass, fired. Next, for example, for example one, mean, have you ever come early for class? A woman, at no time have I ever come to class on time. Narrator, what does the woman mean? The answer is D, because woman said at no time have I ever come to class on time, it means she came late. Next, which is skill 3 suggestion. Those are three suggestion expression. Number one, less. Number two, to not. Number three, you're better. So next, for example, the weather's so beautiful today. Woman, let's go to school instead of leaving. Narrator, what does the woman suggestion? The answer is B. Which is best answer A, B, C, or D? Okay, so I think that's enough for me to example about listening to all part A, skill 1 or 2 or 3. Let's say Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillahirrahmanirrahim. Thank you for your attention. Hopefully, it can be useful and understand well I've explained. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.